two titans of the all-terrain world collide. Meet the Cooper Discovery Road+Trail AT and the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO3. Both launched in 2024, they represent the latest in off-road innovation. But which tire dominates the trail and the road? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Cooper Discovery Road+Trail AT set as the reference point at 100%, with all performance data sourced from Canadian Tire's road-rated test. Off-road in wet conditions, the Cooper Discovery Road+Trail AT takes the lead, accelerating faster in deep mud and gripping rocky slopes better. The KO3, 9% behind in these conditions. But when the sun shines and the trails dry out, the BFGoodrich All-Terrain T KO3 flexes its muscle. It pulls ahead 12% on dry gravel surfaces, delivering stronger traction and stability where Cooper lags slightly. Snow performance? It's close, but the Cooper edges out with 1% better grip and control. However, on ice, the KO3 fight back, outperforming the Cooper by 9% with shorter braking distances and enhanced stability. On asphalt, the Cooper Discovery Road+Trail AT excels. It outbrakes and outgrips the KO3 by 11% in wet and 6% in dry, keeping you safer during sudden stops and lane changes. Looking for a quieter, smoother ride? The Cooper is 8% more comfortable and 2% more fuel efficient, translating to fewer vibrations and better mileage. In summary, from muddy trails to icy roads, both tires excel in different areas. If mud dominance and ice performance matter most, the BFGoodrich KO3 stands out. On the other hand, the Cooper Discovery Road+Trail AT excels in gravel, all-round comfort, wet grip, and efficiency.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.